We're gonna make you a smoothie today, concentrating on calcium for our bones, okay? I'm gonna use almond milk, which is high in calcium. It's got 440 milligrams. It's about 30% of the recommended value for the day. It's unsweetened. You can use any milk you want. I like to stay away from dairy. And of course, this one is full of calcium, so that's what we're gonna use. I'm also gonna use our powdered eggshells. I will put the video link up here for you if you haven't seen it. Very easy to make. Half a teaspoon is gonna give us another 400 milligrams about of calcium, maybe a little more. I'm gonna use oranges, spinach, and strawberries. I'm also gonna use a banana so that we can sweeten it. But other fruits that you could use that have calcium, apricots, very high, kiwis, papayas, pineapple, all the berries. For greens, all the leafy greens, kale, of course, spinach, Swiss chard, any of those things, okay? We're gonna be blending everything today in this very cute Cucinare personal blender that I got in the mail as a gift. Thank you so much. It sells on Amazon for $49 and it is extremely efficient. I'm going to add 7 ounces of almond milk to this. So I'm adding half a teaspoon of that egg powder. I love that this has a little lid with a lid which secures it. It doesn't leak. It's awesome. That is beautiful, guys. Really, really nice. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna see you soon.